What you need to know. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced today the company will be updating its 3D user avatars in VR and expanding them to use in Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. The new avatars that can be used in feed posts, stories, and as Facebook profile pictures will be rolling out within the app starting today for people in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Quest 2 and Quest users will be familiar with the 3D avatars after receiving a customization overhaul last year, but have been updated again with more expressions, skin tones, and adjusted facial shapes. Meta avatars can equip themselves with cochlear implants and over-the-ear hearing aids in a variety of colors across all platforms, and in wheelchairs appearing through Facebook stickers, Messenger chats, and Instagram direct messages. Oppo Find X5 Pro leaks, specs, camera, battery, more. Oppo's next flagship phone is coming soon, and it shares a lot in common with the OnePlus 10 Pro. 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. Mung Hapanen Ganti Trungsi Dwi Rab KH Nafusmar Non Confaf Bib KHRB Wen GCR Cab JobsDB by Seek. Sontex. Source, Meta. The company is also introducing more digital clothing options with Super Bowl 56 jerseys that your avatar can wear for a limited time on any platform. You can choose to wear a jersey between one of the two participating Super Bowl 56 teams or a neutral shirt from February 13th until February 28th. Facebook users who already created a 2D avatar will be replaced with the new 3D avatars that can be modified after with the avatar editor found through the Facebook menu, comments, or Messenger. Users can choose to sync their Meta avatar across all platforms for a unified look, or create 3 different avatars to use for Facebook and Messenger, Instagram, and VR. Well, that's nice. Your favorite puzzle game Wordle is now owned by the New York Times. The New York Times has just purchased the popular puzzle game Wordle for an undisclosed amount. Bungie joining PlayStation makes more sense than you think. PlayStation's acquisition of Bungie makes a lot of sense for a company that's historically put all of its eggs into one basket. Their strengths can now complement one another. Android Game of the Week. Beautiful, melancholic, and emotional, Demo 2 is a must-play rhythm game. Demo 2, the latest title from Riot Games, is a piano-centric rhythm game that rolls adventure into the mix to create a unique experience among its standalone VR. Nice. The best standalone VR headsets you can buy today. Everyone and their mother are now interested in having their very own standalone VR to call their own, but that begs the question, which VR set is the best suited for you? That's where we come in.